Located in the state of Assam, India, Jatinga is a small village that has gained notoriety for a bizarre phenomenon: birds dying in large numbers during the night. This unusual occurrence has made Jatinga a tourist attraction, drawing visitors from all over the world who are eager to witness this strange spectacle. Every year between September and November, thousands of birds from various species flock to Jatinga, only to meet their demise under mysterious circumstances. The birds, mostly migratory species, begin to arrive in the village in the late afternoon, and as night falls, they start to fly erratically, crashing into buildings, trees, and even the ground. The exact cause of this phenomenon is still unknown, but scientists believe it may be related to the village's unique geography and the birds' navigational systems. Several theories have been proposed to explain the bird-killing phenomenon in Jatinga. Some scientists suggest that the village's location in a valley surrounded by hills may be causing the birds to become disoriented and lose their way. Others believe that the birds may be attracted to the village's lights, which could be interfering with their natural navigation systems. Another theory suggests that the birds may be suffering from some kind of mass hysteria or panic, leading them to fly erratically and crash into objects. Despite the mysterious circumstances surrounding the bird deaths, Jatinga has become a popular tourist destination. Visitors can witness the phenomenon firsthand, and many have reported feeling a sense of awe and wonder at the sheer number of birds involved. However, concerns have been raised about the impact of tourism on the village and its environment. Efforts are being made to promote sustainable tourism and conservation practices in Jatinga, to ensure that this unique phenomenon can be enjoyed by future generations. Jatinga's bird-killing phenomenon is a fascinating and mysterious occurrence that continues to intrigue scientists and tourists alike. While the exact cause of the phenomenon remains unknown, it is clear that Jatinga has become a unique and fascinating destination that offers a glimpse into the natural world. As tourism continues to grow in the village, it is essential to prioritize conservation efforts and ensure that this phenomenon can be enjoyed by future generations.